All of our structures are built in our factories in Winkler, Manitoba that total over 200,000 square feet of heated indoor production space. As the structures move through the different construction stages, the controlled environment protects them from the adverse weather conditions, ensuring a quality build that is done on time and on budget. Our quality department conducts regular inspections at each stage to ensure all construction codes are being met throughout the entire process. Once finished, the structures are sealed up and ready to see the elements of the outdoors for the first time. Built-in doors, factory-controlled assembly, our advantage.
Grandeur, building better.